What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, and you're here on SharePoint in 60 seconds, where we give you all the information you need in the first 60 seconds. And then if you really dig what's going on, you can stick around for the gory details. Stay tuned to find out how you can create your very own frequently asked questions.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.
And we're back. Everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Big announcement, we just hit one big announcement. I am going to put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Yeah, that's what's happening. There we go. No editing, no nothing. We're low budget here, folks. Now, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. And a big shout out to our 1,000th subscriber, Bernadette Sanchez. Y'all make some noise for Bernadette. I appreciate you being the 1,000th subscriber. All right, so we got 60 seconds to explain to you how to create your own FAQ using SharePoint Modern Site Pages. And here we go. First thing you're going to do is you're going to fire off a new page, name that page. Then you're going to go to that first text section, and you're going to name that just FAQ, put a title or whatever. Then you're going to go ahead and put all your categories for your FAQs, okay? And when you put the name of the categories, you're going to make them hyperlinks. You can use bulleting too if you want. Make them hyperlinks. Just put a placeholder in the hyperlink area. You'll fill it in later. Trust me. Next, go to your another section, and you're going to name it what you named category 1. So category 1, name it. Make sure it's header 1. Put all your Q&As. Same thing for categories 2, 3, and 4. Get it done. Then you're going to go to each section, hover over the header 1, grab the hyperlink, go back up to the very first section where you listed your categories, and update those hyperlinks. Now you're done, and we still got 10 seconds left. All right, so let's go ahead and stop this, and let's just show you exactly how that's done. Like I said, first we're going to go here, fire off that new page, and we're going to call it Carolina. Oh, we can't type there, Carolina Mike. FAQ. These are all the questions that Carolina Mike gets asked on a frequent basis. We're going to start off, we're going to do a bulleted list here. Okay, we'll do that, and we'll say the beginning. So this would be all questions about the beginning of that illustrious career. The beginning, we'll say releases. So we can talk about releases or questions about releases, and then questions about, I don't know, science. Okay, there you go. You got your categories. Now, we're going to go in here and make these hyperlinks. Okay, just going to put the, well, I guess we could probably do that part later after we grab the hyperlink we're going to put in there. So I probably could have explained that a little bit differently, but it would work either way. So there we go. This is, you can call this table of contents if you want, right? So we can go here, let's go and go table of contents. And we'll go ahead and make that heading 1. We'll center it up. Okay, there we go. Table of contents. Boom. Now, we're going to build a new section here. And we're going to call it the beginning. So we got the new, did I just add the, no? There we go. We'll do one column. And we're going to add a text box. So we can call it the beginning. Okay, we're going to make it header 1 so we get a hyperlink to it. All right, and then we're going to go and we're going to do our Q&As. We'll say, when did you start your music career? Okay, so there's the Q. I don't know if you want to do that or not. And then we do See, I don't like that spacing. I'm going to hold shift and enter. There we go. Shift enter gets you that nice spacing. So there's a tip. We'll say 1979. All right, there we go. There's our first Q&A. And then we have a list for, just so we can see how it looks with more stuff. When did you start yodeling? Is that the right way to spell that? Ooh, apparently not. Oh. All right. There we go. The answer. We'll go yesterday. There we go. All right. So you get the idea. We got the beginning. Okay. Now let's do one more section so we can really get a good feel here. Well, I keep doing that. That's not adding a section. There we go. One column. And next is releases. So text box. We'll go. We can go ahead and make it heading 1. Releases. What? Releases. Okay. And then we're going to go with our Q. When did you release good credit? You know, I don't even know the answer to that question. I think it was like 2017. All right, we're gonna go 2017 or 18 or something like that. And then we'll do one more. Oh man, gotta get better at my typing. Whatever, grammar, we're not worried about that. I'm sure someone's gonna correct me. Go ahead and correct me, it's fine. It's all good. We're gonna say not yet. Released. Okay, so there you go. We got 2 sections. We got the beginning, we got releases. All right, now what we can do, we got to save as a draft because I don't know how to get the link otherwise. You're going to go grab the, see, I hate having to pop out of edit mode. Copy link address. And now we're going to go back into edit mode. I wish we could do that without having to bounce out. If you have figured out a way to do that, please let me know. And we're going to the beginning and we're going to up. Is it still a hyperlink? What happened? Oh, I didn't do it here for this one. All right. So now I'll make it a hyperlink. We'll throw in that hyperlink. And then let's make sure. Sometimes it doesn't get everything out of there. All right. There we go. Beginning. We don't want a new tab because we want it to just go to that spot in this page. So we'll save. We'll do save as draft. Let's get the other one. Copy link address. You get the idea. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And we'll go back up here. And we'll do that. And we'll do that. And we'll do that. And we will, let's just publish it, see what it looks like. So there we go. Now, you know, if you had a lot more stuff, it may, yeah, this, we need more stuff, right? So let's say you had like lots of categories and lots of Q&As. You can't really see it now, but if I were to mock this up more, you'd see that when I clicked on beginning, it goes to, see, it did top out right there at the beginning. Let's see what I have to do for releases. Releases, it at least pulls you down a little bit further so you can see releases instead of being all the way up at the top. So as you had more categories, you would see this behave a lot. You know, whatever. So, but one thing I want to show you is collapsible section. So this is like a bonus. This is, let's quick review before we get to the bonus. So if you want to create an FAQ, all you got to do is go through, create a new page. Helps to have some categories so you can, you know, once your FAQ grows, you'll be able to quickly bounce between categories. So you use a bulleted list, name your categories. And then for each category, you name that as a new section. And then you go and grab that hyperlink and then paste it into the text as a hyperlink behind the text here. And then you're good to go. Now, the benefit of doing this extra work is that, let's say I want to reference questions on releases from another spot on SharePoint. I just grab, just go ahead and grab this, and it takes me right there. The other thing about adding a new section for each group is this. Let's go ahead and just edit the sections. We're going to go ahead and edit this section, and we're going to make it collapsible. So make this collapsible on section display name. So this is the beginning, so we want that to show up. Come on. Why is my keyboard acting goofy? Gosh. There we go. That was weird. The beginning. And default, let's have it default to collapsed. So it doesn't show us that live, but if why are you not collapsing? Maybe what just happened here? Default collapsed. No, this is not working properly. What's going on? Oh, that's why. Section collapsed. Okay, we have a section here that I don't... Oh, there we go. Okay, well, let's see. That was weird. And then let's leave that default collapsed. Let's just save and see what happens. Okay. So we may need to adjust how big this is. Actually, you can't. Actually, we could make it. Hold on, my brain's going too fast. I don't like the fact that this is tiny, but then when you expand it, I guess I wouldn't need. You know what? Maybe I don't need it. I don't need that. Ah! Can you hyperlink to a section? The beginning section collapsed. Hey, what is this thing doing? Okay, that was weird. You all saw that. Okay, so we got that. Let's edit. I just want this to look nicer. So here for this section, are you gonna let me? Oh, so I have to expand it in order to be able to get to the edit? That's interesting. All right. So we'll go to edit here. Maybe I don't need, let's see what happens if I get rid of, now if I get rid of the display name, it's going to be blank and dumb. You got to put a display name. Okay. All right. And then default collapse, which is what I want. And okay. So let's go ahead and republish. So then maybe we don't need to, if we didn't name this, we wouldn't be able to hyperlink. All right. Now notice I am in edit mode and I'm trying to make this thing collapse and it's not wanting to. Or expand, and it's not wanting to expand. Weird. That's really weird. So I click at the bottom. I don't know why it's doing that, y'all. Can this be hyperlinked? Let's see if let's go ahead and save the draft here and see if this is, ooh. So if I click it, it expands. Click down here, it expands. Yep. But can I link to this? Save as. So you're still gonna need the header here if you want to be able to link to it from the, from other places and from these table of contents items. So with that, let's try and make this look a little bit smaller. I think it's too big. I do believe heading 2 and heading 3 will both give you the hyperlink. I do believe. Let's make sure. Yep, you still get the hyperlink. That's awesome. And then it still works. Okay, excellent. So there we go. Why do I have... Oh, yeah, okay. So this way, you can go ahead and apply that to the sections here. All right. And then, oh, what just happened? Really? That's how we're going to do this? You're going to make me... No way. Come on. No way. Why would it not display all the sections? What am I missing here? This can't be right. This cannot be right. Why? Oh, I didn't. It let me do it without giving it a thingamabob. Come on, expand. Did I not name it? Releases? Seriously. I didn't name the section or name the there we go. Here we go. Let's edit. I didn't name the section. That was crazy. Why would it let me do that? Don't let me do that. All right, there we go. Jeez, that was way harder than it needed to be. Oh, now I gotta fix the well, you gotta hit this thing at just the right spot. Why? There we go. So let's fix this to heading 3. What's heading 2 gonna look like for me? Yeah, we want heading 3. Okay. Let's republish. I know it seems like a lot of work that we did here. What is... It seems like a lot of work that we did just to make this happen, but there you go. So now you've got collapsible sections for your categories, and you've got your FAQ. So I've rambled on enough. Again, thank you so much for your viewership, for your dedication, for rocking out on SharePoint. This channel is for end users, power users, and admins, anywhere in between. So get in where you fit in, and let me know if there's something I can show you. Otherwise, I'll try my best and point you in the right direction. So this has been Carolina Mike saying thank you for watching. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep it rolling. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you, and so do you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Oh, and especially you right there. Yep. Yeah. You're like, am I talking? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. All right. So y'all, take it easy.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.